Is it time to buy or sell AI stock? In this video, we will explore AI in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 28th of July, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with a more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be viewed as financial advice. Since June 25, 2025, our system has ranked AI as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.88. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Over this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a remarkable gain of 407.52% since we first recommended purchasing AI just 23 days ago. This translates to an average return of 17.72% per day since it was classified as hold accumulate. The stock is situated in the upper part of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term. This typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout at the top trend line at $4.46 will initially indicate a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 39.75% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 60.05% to positive 53.76%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 7.70%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 91.06% and positive 1.05% over the next year. In current terms, this would position the future price somewhere between 36.2 cents and $4.09. Our latest daily update for AI includes the headline, High Volatility in AI Incorporated stock price on Monday, which ended trading at $4.05. The AI Incorporated stock price fell by 8.68% on the last day, Monday, the 28th of July, 2025, from $4.44 to $4.05. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 85.59% from a day low at $3.47 to a day high of $6.44. The price has been experiencing significant ups and downs during this period, and there has been a 285.71% gain over the last 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day along with the stock price, which can be considered a positive sign as volume should ideally follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 174 million shares, and in total, 156 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $631,320,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $6.44, while the lowest price was 49 cents. Currently, the price is 37.11% or $2.39 below the 52-week high and 99.07% or $430.65 below the all-time high on January 14, 2021, when the price reached $434.70. Today, AI Incorporated, traded under the symbol LIDR on NASDAQ, is in the spotlight following its announcement of the Optis train, a comprehensive LIDAR solution that integrates with NVIDIA's Jetson Orin technology. This launch represents a significant advancement in smart transportation, safety, and security, addressing industry demands for real-time insights and operational efficiency. This week also saw LIDR's stock surge by approximately 150% after its Apollo LIDAR system was included in NVIDIA's Drive AGX platform, a crucial component for self-driving technology. This strategic partnership positions AI within the rapidly evolving autonomous vehicle sector, potentially unlocking numerous opportunities with major automakers. Investors remain cautiously optimistic, as analysts note that despite the stock's dramatic rise, LIDR's valuation continues to present appealing prospects for growth. The upcoming second quarter earnings report on July 31st could reveal more insights into the company's performance and further boost market confidence. In the short term, LIDR's integration with NVIDIA creates strong bullish sentiment, likely bolstering stock prices. Over the long term, if AI successfully capitalizes on its innovations and partnerships, it could solidify its position in the LIDR market, potentially leading to substantial revenue growth and investor returns. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 26th of October, 2021, it was reported that Roth Capital assigned LIDR a buy grade with an initialize action. Analysts have assigned AI stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts also give the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for LIDR AEye Inc. Stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these averages, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. Should there be corrections downward, support is expected at $2.27 and $1.21. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, July 25, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by 8.68%. Additional decreases are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots indicated a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicated a buy signal 171 days ago. Short-term Moving Average indicated a sell signal 6 days ago. Long-term Moving Average indicated a sell signal 26 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe Short Moving Average indicated a sell signal 26 days ago. Long-term Moving Average indicated a buy signal 38 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 34 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for LIDR. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and given the right conditions, the stock may perform poorly in the coming days. This stock may experience significant fluctuations throughout the day, exhibiting a high level of volatility. With a notably large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $2.97 between its high and low, representing an 85.59% change. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 47.73%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for LIDR, let's briefly discuss some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This key metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, persistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 31st of July, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for LIDR. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for LIDR is at $4.44. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. There's no significant support from accumulated volume below, which means the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider placing bets only if you're an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for AEye from multiple analyst sources indicates a recommendation to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 24th of July, 2025, Dusain Luis executed an insider sale of 3,000 shares of common stock. On the 24th of July, 2025, Dusain Luis executed another insider sale of 3,000 shares of common stock. On the 15th of July, 2025, Hughes Andrew S. conducted an insider sale of 416 shares of common stock. On the 15th of June, 2025, Hughes Andrew S. conducted an insider sale of 416 shares of common stock. On the 15th of May, 2025, Tierney Connor B. executed an insider sale of 2,788 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of negative 9.506. Overall, insiders purchased 1,957,964 shares and sold 3,669,873 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $3.83, which reflects a decrease of 5.34%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, resulting in a considerable risk factor. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 83, further amplifying this risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified just 1 day ago. Is AI stock a good buy? LIDR Inc. exhibits several positive indicators. However, we do not consider these sufficient for a buy recommendation at this time. Currently, it should be viewed as a hold or accumulate position while we await further developments. After reviewing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 29th of July, we anticipate AI will open higher by approximately 0.0603 of a dollar, starting at around $4.65. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for this stock? Also, remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and a wonderful day, with warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.